अगर कम टाइम में आपको अपनी लाइफ में ज्यादा वैल्यू ऐड करना है तो हमारे इसी YouTube चैनल के क्लिप्स सेक्शन को आज ही चेक कीजिए। हमारे इस क्लिप सेक्शन में ऐसी बहुत सारी क्लिप्स अवेलेबल है और ये सारे क्लिप्स के फुल एपिसोड्स इसी YouTube चैनल पे अवेलेबल है, तो आज ही चेक कीजिए।
It's all about teeth. Presenting to you India's most famous dentist with Dr. Karthik Dinoja, powered by Karthikatva.
दी अपकमिंग नीट, तो जब आपको वो आंसर मिल गया कि मुझे अभी MTS ही करना है एंड नीट इज़ द ओनली ऑप्शन कि आपको वो क्लियर करना पड़ेगा, तो उसके लिए आप प्रिपरेशन के लिए क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे स्टूडेंट्स को?
First tip, okay, forget about studying during internship and everything. If you're a student, first year, second year, and you have made up your mind कि मुझे MDS करना ही है, ठीक है? Once you finish a particular subject, ठीक है? You go to your library. There are MCQ books. NEET is an MCQ exam based. आपको याद रखना है कि MCQ based exam है. It is not long answer form. And intelligent students tend to focus on long answer form. मतलब वो लोग detailed में answer देना चाहते हैं.
Right.
MCQ does not work like that. Okay. So once you finish a given subject in your first year, go take an MCQ book and just solve all the answers. You can do this in your first year, second year, third year, fourth year. So जैसे तुम एक एक सब्जेक्ट खत्म कर रहे हो, तुमने एक रिविजन मार लिया. So when you start in internship, your MDS studies, तुम्हारा एक देख के हो जाता है एक बार पूरा सब्जेक्ट. So you have a rough idea कि what I know. So this even you might not remember stuff, but there is this feeling कि एक बार मैंने देखा हुआ है. और एक बार देखने वाला फीलिंग लगता है, then there is less procrastination to reread it.
Right.
You see all the subjects. आपने जो एक बार पढ़ा है ना, आप वो दूसरी बार फटाफट पढ़ लोगे.
Yes.
बट आपको नया सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट करना है ना, there is a starting problem. पर आपने एक बार ये MCQ बुक्स देखा हुआ है, not studied it, not done anything, just gone through it once. So psychologically, you are programming yourself that it's not a tough thing to get into. Second, when you're studying for NEET, okay, the problem is we are only mugging up answers.
Okay.
Mugging up has its place. For example, modulus of elasticity. Okay. Example, content concentration. They are asking, you have to answer. You can't fight it, you can't change the paper.
Right.
But these things, you have to mug it up in the end. What you need to focus on is on questions which you need to apply logic to.
Right.
These questions, if you practice 1 year prior, और एक बार आपको वो लॉजिक समझ में आया, they're asked you any time in the future.
क्योंकि उसमें केस ही ज़्यादा पूछते हैं.
Yes. And it is a good thing in India, the NEET papers are shifting towards case based. बाहर आप कोई भी एग्जाम देने जाओगे abroad, most of them are based on cases. कि if such a patient walks into your clinic, how are you going to treat? And that is what it should be.
Right.
Indian NEET was not in that direction, which is slowly shifting.
Okay.
Okay. So जहाँ पे आपने आदत डाल दिया लॉजिक के हिसाब से सोचने का, तो वो आपके आंसर्स मोर और लेस सॉल्व होते हैं.
Right.
Then comes your answers where you have to mug up. That you have to keep re-revising. मतलब वो आपने 10 बार पढ़ लिया, 20 बार पढ़ लिया, एग्जाम के 4 दिन पहले वापस रिवाइज कर लिया, वो ही आपको होगा. So these are the two basic sets of questions, and these are the two basic ways you should attack both of them basically.
Right. Right.